this is a totally different take on steak. You slow cook onions until they're deeply, deeply, deeply caramelized, like I have here. I add garlic to everything, so it's a copious amount of garlic and onions cooked slowly, slowly, till they're nice and sugary, sugary sweet. Also in this mixture, ginger root, fresh turmeric, of course you can substitute dried, the juice of 2 limes, and these are called curry leaves. You can order these online, but that's a gilding the lily. Then the spices, it's cumin and coriander, best friends, they go everywhere together, earthy and bright, mustard seed, and some chili powder of any variety. We spice this and then we cook it in beef stock. Now I have just some sirloin here, 1.5 to 2 pounds for 4 adult portions. Whiz this up. Add a splash of water. So then you put this into a large plastic food storage bag, add your protein of choice, let it marinate overnight. Our cast iron skillet's nice and hot. Any protein you like in your onion marinade. Slough off the excess marinade. High temperature cooking oil into a good old cast iron skillet. Get the steaks or whatever your protein of choice is into the pan. And then we're going to make the Racha sauce, a yogurt sauce. For that, you want 1 chili pepper, a serrano or a jalapeno is fine, any green chili. Add your chili to your yogurt base. Pasted or finely grated garlic, so you don't bite down on big pieces of garlic. A 1/2 teaspoon, a little sprinkle of ground cumin. Some salt. Mint and cilantro. Some juice of a lime or 2 to taste. And we're gonna griddle up some naan bread. Naan bread is flat bread with yogurt in it. I like roasted garlic naan bread. You get it right in the regular grocery store. When you're making naan bread, a flat griddle is great. And I like to put a little splash of water, put the bread down, let it blister, then flip it and bathe it with ghee or melted butter. Here's 2 coming out of the pan. We had 2 resting, and we can put a portion or so on the plate. And then I line that with the chili mint yogurt sauce. You take your griddled garlic naan, throw that on the edge of the plate, and there you go.